as you can see that the two partners invested this money and this money respectively in our business and agreed that 60% of the profit should be divided equally between them, and the remaining profit is to be treated as invested on capital. Okay, between them, and the remaining profit is to be treated as invest interest on capital. If one partner gets 300 more than the other, find the total profit made in the business. Okay, suppose they had invested this money and the second person invested this money, and now what they are, so they get some profit on it. Okay, obviously, so that profits we consider as a 100% profit they get. Okay, the profit they get, that value we consider as a 100%. Out of the profit, what they decided, 60% they equally distributed. Okay, now the remaining is 40%. Okay, so this is a profit. Okay, okay, okay. 40% is now remaining that they have to distribute on each other. But what they are saying, one partner get 30 more than the other, find the total profit made in the business. Okay, so if they invested this much money, if there is no time, then it means they are invested this money for equal time. Okay, so if somehow we can get the ratio of it, then it's good for us. Okay, so the 3 cancel. Okay, so 5, so 1, so 25 by dividing 5 with each other, so 25, and here could be 19, sorry, 17, I think. Yeah, this could be, and there could be this could be the ratio. What they are saying, one partner gets 300 more than the other. It means I already suggested that this is nothing but that we get, this ratio we get is the shares of the money we get. Okay, and this ratio is nothing but if we multiplied both side with some same number, then we can get the original number, but we don't know the original numbers, like the original money that they gain from the business, so that we can multiply it with the same number both side. That number we don't know, so because of that we consider that as a n. Okay, now what they are saying, the 30 more, the one person get 300 more than the other. Okay, it means you, from the shares we can understand that this is 24 and this is 17, and if the same number is multiplied, then always this number will be greater. Okay, that we can understand. So from this conclusion we can see that if this is the share of one person, this is the share of second person, and then we subtract from each other. Okay, and minus 17, and then we get this number. I'm right or wrong? Yes, I'm right. And we multiplied it, so 3 8, so I think the 8 n is the number. Okay, about 3 and 5, yeah, 8, and this is equal to this. Okay, so now we can get the value of this. 8 1 the 8, 8 2 are 24, 8 2 are 16, 8 3 are 24, remaining is 6, remaining is 6 to 60, so 8 7 are 56. Okay, now remaining is 4, so 0.5. Okay, 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 I think it is okay. For confirmation, I'm again trying to divide them. Okay, so as you can see that 300 divided by 8, so yeah, sorry, 8 threes are yeah, so 8 threes are, yeah, this is the number we get the of n. Now if we get the value of n, then find the total profit made in the business. We need the total profit, so if we multiplied by them in both the situations, so that we get, so I'm using calculator for this. Okay, I'm using calculator for it, so that it is little bit fast. Okay, so what, 25 multiplied by 37.5. Okay, so 25n is equal, oh sorry, they need what, find the total profit, they need total profit, so we just try to find the total profit. Okay, so if I add them, their ratios, if I add them, then it's easy for me to get there. What to get there, okay, so, oh sorry, so it could be what, 1575, yeah, the value of the value we can get from here. Okay, what I had done, I had done just 25 plus 17, okay, sorry, what, 1, okay, 1, and this is also 1, and multiplied by what I had, right, I always do some mistake in these conditions. Okay, I multiplied by 37.5. Okay, this is now, according to question what they are asking, this is the only 40%, we need the other 60%, which they are equally divided on each other. 40% shares they divided according to their investment, but the 60% they had distributed equally, so the value we get is only of 40%. Okay, the value we get is of 40%. Okay, we need the value of 100%. So what we can do, just we divide this number by 40%. Okay, and after dividing we multiplied it with 100. Yeah, we do this thing, and when we do this thing, we get the value of 100%. Okay, so we divided by 40 and then multiplied by 100. Yeah, so we get the value is 3 9 3 7 0.5. Yeah, this could be our value. And if I match with my answer, then yes, it is a correct answer. So I think to understand a little bit, I am already explain you this concept. Okay, if they had not given us time, then their investment could be their investment ratio could be their shares ratio. Okay, simply. So that we divide them with the same numbers multiple times, so we get the ratios, and their ratio could be now their shares of profit. So this is the profit. Okay, but I already show you that uh, if if you multiply same number, the number is one. This number be just what if you want to make back this number, okay, then what would be the value that you can, if you want to make back this original number, then what would be the value of n? The 25 multiplied by 1000, yeah, 1000 and 5 also. So this could be, if you multiply this on both the side, you get the original number. So it means if you show this type of thing, like multiplying n on both sides, it means now you can consider these as the original numbers. Only thing is that you don't know the value of n. Okay, this is the problem. So now if you do this, you get the complete numbers. Okay, now it is not ratio into n. This is not, it is the original number you get. And but what they are saying, the difference between them is 300. Okay, so if these are the original numbers now, after multiplying n on both sides, so when you subtract them, so you obviously you get 300. So there's the difference according to the question. So from that you get the value of n. Now put the value of n, you get the original numbers. Okay, so when you put the value of n, you get the 40% value. After that, multiplied divided by 40, multiplied by 100, you get 100% value. So this is the total profit they gain. Okay, this profit they gain, and that they 60% of this profit they distribute equally, and the remaining 40% they divided according to their shares. Okay, thank you. This is also completed.